Hello guys, welcome to another video with JD Tech. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, do like, share and subscribe. To returning subscribers, welcome. Do like, also share and comment. Thank you very much. Now we are going to be building an online banking today. This is what we have on our screen right now. We are going to be looking at a landing page. For the purpose of this one, we are going to be calling Bluecrest one, version 1 of this Bluecrest script. So we are going to go from here. We are going to go straight into the dashboard. Let's see what we have on our dashboard. So I already have this logged in, but for the sake of so we can see how the flow is from the login page to the others. So you can see how the flow looks like. I'm going to be logging in again. So this is it. Go straight into that. Click on the password. And password comes. It takes us here. And click on it. Verify and we are in the script. So this is what we have for our user dashboard. As you can see, it has stocks, investments on the dashboard also, so you can actually invest on stocks through this online banking system. You can see your account summary. That is let's say let's call it a transaction history. Yeah, so this is your account summary. You can also download it as a statement of account. So this is the part for the stock trading, which is also controlled by the admin. And let's see, with the main thing that we need it for is our bank transfer. We are going to come back to this to be able to do it. We'll do our bank transfer and see what we have. We have transaction history once again here, and the ATM card. One of the best things about this is the ATM card. So you can click on the card you want, the card type, the currency, the security, and the type of usage you want. Then you can apply for a card. Right now I have this card already applied here. As you can see, this is on the card side. Yeah, so also the transaction pin is also, you can also come here and change your transaction pin. The current one, you put the new one and it goes. Also account password. This is the user management part where you can manage his account, and the logout button. So now let's look at our bank transfer, how it looks like and what it looks like. So I already have this auto field. So I just put in random things for these names. So let's come here also. Let's put in this. Let's click on proceed to transfer. It shows us like an overview before we transfer. Asks for the transaction pin. Yeah. Oh, I think I got that wrong. Yeah, so takes us to the COT, and on the admin you can actually turn off all of this pin. Takes us here. We should do it. You can choose not to be seen. You don't want to see the IMF. You don't want to see these ones. You just want to see maybe only one code. You just want to see like activation code. You just want to see IMF code. You can control this on the admin. But for the purpose of this, I want us to experience all the codes. I'm going to show you successful without the value codes. You are now ready to proceed. So it's asking you to proceed, confirm and transfer now. Very good. Now this is what we have. As you can see, this is what we have on this system. So it's something that you can actually screenshot like this as a receipt. So you can also go ahead to print the receipt. Now this is what the receipt looks like. Also very calm, very good. Now you can see the link on top, the time and the date on top. So we'll cancel this. So right now we're going to be looking at the admin part, what it looks like. Now this is what our admin part looks like here. That's for people that for setting up. You come to set up. You don't have to start putting your logo through the codes. You come here and you put your logo inside there and you click on update. You come to the config, the general config, put your bank name, then you put your email support, your second email support, then you put your numbers and the address, headquarter address. Now this is what we have on our settings in the admin settings. Also under the settings we have our transaction code, where we can set our transaction code there. Okay, they have to log me out. So this is the default this is the admin link. Now the default password is admin, and the default password, the default username is admin, and default password is 126. So we'll come to settings, we'll come to transfer codes. Now this is where I was telling you can manage these codes from. So this is on now. You can turn it off. You can turn this one off because you want to just see activation code and tax code, and you save transfer codes as turned on. They will come here, click on OK. Then in pin management, you can also enable and disable pin for customers. That's the pin when they want to log in. If you want them to see that pin or not, so you can turn it off or turn it on. Yeah, so that's on the settings part. Also under the settings, we have seen the general settings, general config. You can also change the admin password from inside here too, and this is the logout button. Now let's go top. Let's go at the top and see what we have there. The dashboard. This is the admin dashboard by default here. So let's look at under customers. You can create accounts in the dashboard too. You can also create the account from here. You can also create your account from here. Yeah, you can also create your account from here. You can register. But now we are looking at the admin dashboard from the front. You can register from here. But we are okay. I'm logged in here, so I have to log out. You can register from here. All right. So let's go again. Oh, you can create an account from here, as you can see, and you can also create your account from here too, from the admin. So you can, when you have done creating an account, then you can now manage. I'm using the same browser, so it's logging me out. I'm using browser from the user part and the admin part. So when you are done with that, you can now also come to manage. When you are done creating, you can now manage your users, the users you have created. When you come to more, you see all the codes, all the things you have to say about that user. You can edit your account. You click on edit. You can put the amount of balance you want to see here. Edit some of these things that are already there. That's the information. Now for the branch, you can create a branch. That's for the interbank transfers. Now for the account type, you can also manage the account types, the account name and the account types on the listing, the saving interest, the account code. You can manage it. The history, that's credit and debit history, that's transaction history. You can come here and start creating. You start creating history. You create for debit, you create for credit also. So this is basically what we have here for the admin and what we have here for the user. Now we're going to go straight into how to build this. This requires a 7.4. 7.4. It also works on 8.1. You just have to connect your database and upload the SQL, then continue every other thing at the in this admin. Although the admin is not robust enough to cover everything because your SMTP is not there, so you continue that one in the code. So let's look at a quick view on how to do this. So I'm going to be using this as my public HTML. I come to upload. I come to select file. Come to click on request. While this is loading up, we come to our main interface. Come to database wizard. Click on it. Then let's create it. Let's say DB request. Let's say do just request DB. Then you can name it anything. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. You can name it anything. Copy. Next step. Then paste this. What you just copied also inside here. And copy this. Paste it. Copy without the hyphen. Please copy without the quotes on top. Copy without that quote. Then paste this here. Then come here also and paste that same thing here. Create user. Just follow me step by step. If you have to slow the video down, please do. So you click on all privileges. Click on next step. Very good and fine. Now let's check our upload. Our upload is done. Let's go back to our file manager. Then we'll unzip. Remember, we just created and just follow the steps. You'll be good. Remember, I just created our database. So you unzip. We reload this. Click into this place. And always make sure that your show hidden file is on. Yeah. So you select all. Remove it. Move up one level. You come back to where your public HTML. Remember that movement of that stuff, you are moving it into your public HTML. For me, this is my public HTML. So we come here, we look for the SQL file. The SQL file is always inside your script when you get from here. So you click on download so that you can have it downloaded already. So remember, when you are done downloading it, look at it's downloaded already. It's my downloads right now. So when you are done downloading, you come to the config. Come to config, open this config now. Very good. Now what you have to do now is to what we just created here, this thing we just created, copy it. Now how we created it, it made sure that This same thing is the DB user, is the DB password, and is the DB name. That's database user, database password, and database name. So we save it, and remember we just downloaded our SQL too. So as we downloaded our SQL, that's what we use for phpMyAdmin to upload our SQL file. Now remember, me on my own phpMyAdmin, I have a lot of database that I've created already. So we are going to come here. I'm going to look for that my own. But for you, you might be seeing it like face to face. So me, I needed to use the find to look for it. So that in case you want to do something like that, to it's Control F, then brought out this and I pasted it. I just Control V this inside there so that I could look for it for me. Now don't be confused. You can slow down this video to watch, and you can watch and watch again. You can then when you get here, you choose file. Remember, we just downloaded this, so you come here to what we just downloaded, which is this, and import. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Now we have this here. Um, Now you also have an installation guide here. Don't forget. So, like I said, this is basically all you have to do. Come here, create it, and you are good to go. But let's look at what we just did. Let's look how far we have come. I think this is what we use. This is our this is the test domain that I'm using for this. So I think it was loaded here before. Okay, this was what it was before. So let's reload. Let's see what we have now. Okay, so it is giving us an error. Let's see what we have to do on that part. Let's see. So let's look for it. This is it. So I selected it. I want to check. Now it's on 4.4, but I think we need it to be 7.4 or so. So now let's go there and reload. Okay, let's take it to 8 points. It's still showing 4.4 though, but let's see what 8.1 looks like. Let's look at what 4.1 looks like. 7. Okay, now let's take it back to 7.4 because I know this script is 7.4. Okay. I don't just think it's taking effect here, but if it's not taking effect here, what you still need to do is just go to your PHP, phpMyAdmin. Sorry, I mean you go to PHP version. Now what you do in your PHP version is now you make everything 7.4 because it's not taking effect from there. Let's give it one more chance and see what we have. Oh, while we are waiting, let's do the needful here. 7.4. Apply, check, refresh. Very good. Now we have it 7.4. So very good and fine. This is what we have to do about it. Now also, if you are having confusions about some things, you can also come to your installation guide that is here. As you can see, this is installation guide. Check what you have to do. Like I say, 7.4. The admin link which I showed you already, admin email, user, admin email and password. Also when you go to your database, go to your SQL, this everything I just did here is what everything that's written here is what we just did right now. So it is basically as simple as that. Basically as simple as that. Thank you very much. I will still introduce you to QuickVerse again. QuickVerse is where you get your script. You can get the script from QuickVerse. Very quality script. Also you can also get very quality scripts. Also you can get your hostings from QuickVerse. Yeah, so this is a very reliable platform. You can get your script from, you can get your hostings from QuickVerse. Now if you need this script, you can send me a direct message to get this. My numbers are on the description of this video, my Telegram link, my Instagram. You can check us out. My Facebook is on the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you for watching.